Okay, soffit's back on, just tacked up there. I thought I should say something else. So I did notice that when I took the fascia off, the board is totally dry. And it was also, everything was dry on the inside. The only place I seen water was there was some in the ridge right in here, in this ridge over there. So again, that tells me that it's coming down the back side of the drip edge. And maybe the back of that board would have showed signs, but well, actually it didn't. So that's just weird. Yeah, really can't. Well, hold it. No, it could be dripping off the drip edge right onto the plastic. Possibly, I don't know. That does seem strange. And then maybe running along that one channel out to the edge. Yeah, it could be doing that. But either way, so this is the other thing I wanted to say was, if there was a carpenter crew up here, let's say I was working with one or two other people, the thing is, when you're working with a crew like that, you need to keep things moving. So maybe you're getting paid by the hour, you got to make decisions quick, keep moving, or otherwise at the end of the day, you just don't have what you need to be done based on quotes and everything else. So fortunately, this is for myself. I don't have anybody, I'm not paying any hourly rate to myself or anything. So I made a mistake, I slept on it, I came back and changed it. Now I'm gonna stop and go work on other projects, which is not a big deal because it's just my project anyhow, or our project, our family. So it's a different atmosphere. You know, I'm not complaining that crews don't have the time, because they don't. That is the reality of it. And if you're the person paying them, you want them moving. You want them getting the job done. But when you run into something unique like this, sometimes it's you have to think about things, or at least I do. That might not be true of everybody, but I need to think about them, how I'm going to do it. Think through my options, what materials do I have, and try to predict what's going to happen in the future in that area. So for me, I need more time to kind of troubleshoot and problem solve. So this is an example of that. Okay, let's get going. Enough said.